Want to make some extra cash from home? What if I told you you can resell stuff from Temu and actually turn a profit? Yep. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to resell Temu products and make it worth your while. Let's get into it. First, open the Temu app or website and look for products under $10. Ideally, high-quality items with good reviews and unique designs. Once you find something, buy it. Wait for it to arrive, then snap clear photos or videos so you can list it on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, or even Facebook Marketplace. When listing, write a catchy title, include all the details like size, color, condition, and price it just below similar listings to stand out. Pro tip: use keywords people actually search for, like new, never used, or great deal. And respond fast to messages. That's how you win sales. Also, remember to factor in shipping costs when pricing, and always use tracking so you can prove delivery. Quick reminder, make sure you're following each platform's rules and Temu's policies too. Some items might have restrictions. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're ready to start reselling. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick side hustle tips. See you next time.